Here's how to remove app notification badge numbers on your iPhone. First, fix the badge on the Settings app. If you see a red badge on the Settings app, the most common cause is an account or software-related notification. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your name at the top of the screen. Then select Payment and Shipping and check if any information needs your attention. If everything looks fine, go back to the main settings page and tap on General Settings. Here, tap on Software Update to see if there's an available iOS update. Second, turn off badge notifications for any app. Go back to the Settings app. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Notifications. Next, scroll through the apps list and select the app showing the notification badge like Mail. Here, turn off the badges toggle. You'll still receive notifications on the lock screen, Notification Center, or as banners if they're enabled. Red badge number will no longer appear on the app icon. If another app, such as Instagram, still has a red badge, repeat the same process. Do this for any app where you want to remove the notification badge number. Once you've finished, the red badge numbers will disappear from those app icons. And that's it.